In this lesson, we will see together les conjonctions de subordination, but more precisely, we will see dès que. So let's start from the beginning with the question, what is une conjonction de subordination? A conjunction of subordination is a type of conjunction that connects two clauses or sentences in a way that shows a dependent relationship between them. This is really, really important, this concept of dependent relationship between them. So these conjunctions introduce subordinate clauses which cannot stand alone as complete sentences. So this is the second important thing. These clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences, and they rely on the main clause to make sense. The subordinate clauses typically provide additional information, context, or details to the main clause. So, this lesson is about dès que. The conjunction dès que can be translated into various ways in English, including as soon as and once. So we will see some examples with dès que. Je te préviendrai dès que j'arriverai à la gare. Je te préviendrai dès que j'arriverai à la gare. Dès qu'il a vu le gâteau, il a souri. Dès qu'il a vu le gâteau, il a souri. Nous commencerons la réunion dès que tout le monde sera présent. Nous commencerons la réunion dès que tout le monde sera présent. Dès que le soleil se lève, les oiseaux commencent à chanter. Dès que le soleil se lève, les oiseaux commencent à chanter.